This is going to be my first video of my makeup series. Yes, at my old age, I don't know how to do makeup, so I decided to go ahead and teach myself. I'm pretty sure there are several people out there just like me. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and let me know how I'm doing, and hit the notification button so you'll know the next time I post a video. So y'all know I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I did a good job on my eyebrows. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Revolution. I got this from Ulta. I have a lot of pretty bright colors. It's so pretty. So hopefully I don't mess this up. So let's see here, and I don't know what colors I'm gonna use. I probably should have figured this out before trying to do this. But again, this is my first time doing makeup. I'm gonna do it on a regular so I can get good at it. But before I can get good, I'm probably gonna be really bad. So I think I'm gonna go to the Miss Tropicana. It's like a red right here, Miss Tropicana. And we're gonna see how this is gonna work out. Okay, I really act like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. That's the scary part. It's like she really doesn't know. Okay, so then I'm going to go, I'm gonna do Miss Peaches. So Miss Peaches, it's like an orange kind of color. I like bright colors, but I also like dark colors. So these kind of look the same. This looks horrible, which was definitely expected. It looks horrible, but we're just gonna keep going. So I'm gonna do, let's do the vitamin C, or should we do the honey pot? I'm talking as if I'm talking to someone. There's no one else here. Let's do the vitamin C and see how that works out. Oh, that's blending kind of good, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, I think I need to add one more color. I don't know what else to add. I don't know. Okay, so let's do, I did the Miss Tropicana with the Yes Peaches and the vitamin C. Let's just go ahead and do the honey pot, even though it's still kind of a yellow. It's a little, ooh, it doesn't look like it's coming on here. It's a darker yellow. It doesn't look bad. I don't think it, I don't know, it may look bad, who knows. Okay, so I've done both eyes. I don't know. At one angle, it looks really good, and at another angle, it's like, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Maybe. I don't know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. I've already put primer on my face, and the foundation that I'm going to be using is NARS, and I'm going to be using the one, and I don't know what color this is, and oh, it's medium to dark 2. I guess that's the color. I don't know. And I've had this for a really long time. That's just how much I don't wear makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Problem. I don't know which one of these is the foundation brush. I think this is like not a foundation brush. I think that this may not be a foundation brush either. So maybe it's this one. Anybody? Somebody? Let's just use a blender. That's probably gonna be my best bet, because I'm not really too sure about what is and what's not a foundation brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my nose ring up my nose, and I'm going to, now if you have any tips, suggestions about how I can do my makeup, it'll be easier for me, or that it's more beginner friendly, let me know, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some assistance. Okay, so foundation on. What y'all think so far? Do y'all think no? I don't like that both of my eyes look totally different. Like this one has like a wing of some kind. This one seems like there's too much red on it. And I already told y'all I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't know what happens in my brush that I was just using. Brush, where are you? Oh, I found it. I feel like it's just very dark right here. I don't really mess it up, but I think it's already pretty much messed up. Okay, so now here comes the part that I have never ever done before, and I am not used to. I have some illuminating banana powder. So this is Derma Blend illuminating banana powder, and I don't know how to put it on. Well, oh no, wait, hold on. I was told that I should put on some concealer first. So I have the LA Pro concealer in, what color is this? Medium beige. So mind you, I stood at the counter for almost, I don't know, felt like forever, trying to figure out what color, because there was a color that was like too dark, and then there was a color that was too light, but we couldn't find the color in the middle. So this is what we came up with. So medium beige. I guess that's my color. I'm beige. That's not weird. That's not weird at all. So again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just have to keep saying that. So the person or people who actually know what they're doing, if they see this, they won't go, oh my God, what is she doing? I'm telling you now, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm supposed to put it under my eye, and I guess I'm supposed to blend it after putting it under my eye. This seems like a lot. I don't understand how you go, the ladies that do this and gentlemen that do this every single day, and it always looks flawless. How do y'all do this? Because I get up in the morning, I take a shower, I put on my clothes, I'm ready within like 30, 45 minutes tops. And that's with combing of the hair and lotioning it up like 4 or 5 times, because I have the driest skin in the world. And you all, well, I hope you take showers. You take showers and you do your makeup. That is a lot, hunty. That is really, really a lot. I don't know if I'm doing this right. It looks right. I don't know. Like I said, we just gonna fake it till we make it. And hopefully we can make it. Boop, boop, boop. I feel like I have angel wings on my face. I also feel like this is a lot. Oh, but it's the blending. Oh, girl, you may actually be doing something. I'm probably not, but don't bust my bubble. Let me live. Let me live. Oh, you know what I want to do? Is I want to blend my nose. Well, not blend my nose, but I want to contour my nose so that my nose can be smaller, because I feel like this part down here is way too big. And I want to, I probably need like dark concealer to do that. And I don't think I have any dark concealer. I said I don't think. Like I got a whole bag of makeup or something. I know I ain't got no dark concealer to do that. So maybe one day I'll go to the store and figure it out. Y'all, if this come out good, I'm gonna be so proud of myself. But I feel like I've been blending this in for forever. My arm is really starting to hurt. Do I have to blend some more? I'm hearing someone say, yes, blend, 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 blend. I don't know who that person is, but I heard you. Okay, I think it looks on its way to looking good, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong several times before. I really don't like this eyeshadow. I feel like it's too many of the same colors. My arm is starting to hurt. Y'all be blending like for days. At this point, I feel like your arm should be, this should be an exercise. This is a muscle building exercise in your arm. Okay, so I'm blended. Now I am going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do. Yes, I do. I am going to do the Derma Blend Illuminating Banana Powder. Are there instructions on here? Can someone give me instructions on how to use this exactly? Because I've seen a video, but every single video that I've seen someone do makeup, it's always like this. It's super, 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 super fast. And it's like, wait, hold on. What did she just do? So, yeah, we're about to find out. Oh, it has a little brushy thingy in here. Oh, and this is new. I have to open it. Ooh. So, not really sure how to put this on. Let me phone a friend. I'm gonna be back. Okay, so my phone a friend didn't work because they didn't answer. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to figure this out for ourselves. I'm assuming you don't need a lot of this. Well, I don't know. Should I be using like a blending brush or something? Somebody, anybody, help me, please. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to, I don't know how to get it out of here. It's not coming out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I don't know if I need a lot of it or if I'd use a little of it. I don't even know what it's for. And I don't like this thing, so let's try something else. I have another blending, what is this thing called? A blending brush, blending sponge, blending something. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the top of here. And then I'm just gonna take the blender and then put it here. Yeah, this works better. Okay, and I think I'm supposed to let this sit here. Oh, okay. And then my last thing is I am using the, I don't even know what this is called. Is it Torte, something or another? You figure it out. I'm sure a makeup person will look at this and know the name of it without pronouncing it. Tarty. Who knows? Okay. And I was told, and this is in color of tan, and I was told to take this and like blend it all around because it's a pressing powder. That's what it is. It's a pressing powder. And should I use the presser or should I use a brush? So I'm gonna use a brush. I don't know if I'm using the right brush. I don't know how much of it I'm supposed to use, but I don't even know where exactly it's supposed to go. People probably watching me going, she has no clue. Well, guess what? I told you that already. I did not have a clue. I don't know why people don't believe me when I tell them stuff. I feel like I'm becoming ashy as I'm doing this. Really, really ashy. Okay. So I didn't do any of the contour stuff because I have no idea how to do that. I look completely ashy. So I don't know what else to do, and my headband is coming off my head. I think I look completely ashy. Eyelashes. I need to put on eyelashes, I guess, to make this look better. I didn't comb my hair today because I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally putting on makeup to go and take a shower and go to bed. Okay, so let me get my eyelashes because they're not over here. I'm not sure where they are. And I'll be right back. Did you miss me? No? Okay. Well, I got on my lashes and I also put on some lip gloss. This is Fenty Beauty in Glow. I believe this is the color. And I'm done. I am done. This took me about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. I give you all like so much props for doing this every single day. To all of you MUAs out there, you want to be MUAs, you self-taught people, because this is not an easy job, honey. No. But this is my first time doing a real makeup look. Please give me tips, give me suggestions on what I can do to make it easier next time, because I am going to try to wear makeup on a regular basis, and hopefully I'll post some more videos, and the more I do it, the better I make it. I don't know. So this is what my end result is. I still think I look a little ashy, but I'm not going anywhere. And yeah, till next time, y'all know the deal. Wash your hands, stop touching your face, and I will see y'all on my next video. Peace.